Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to your existing account on Wix. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in wix.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Wix website. In order to log in to your existing account, you can either click on your Google account if you created your account using your Google ID, or you can click on the login button at the top right corner and then proceed with logging in using your email address. Simply type in your email address within the login section and click on continue with email. You will then be allowed to enter your password. Simply type in your account password and click on the login button and you will be logged in to your account with Wix. You may ask to be entered your verification code that will be sent to your email address if you're logging in for the first time after creating your account. So after logging in using your credentials, simply check your inbox and you will find your verification code from Wix. Simply enter this code in the given box and click on the verify button. And now you will be logged into your account with Wix and you will end up on the dashboard. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Wix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.